Sí, sí. Ja ha començat la Setmana Cultural en les activitats esportives i aquesta és la primera activitat que fem dins d'alguna sala. Maricruz Margais, Encarna Pérez i José María Torres. I així, entre el grup musical, per ordre estricte d'alfabètic. Entre els artistes tenim, per una banda, el cor, també per ordre alfabètic, Mari Carmen Baixauli, José Capel, Isabel García, Julia García, Rosa Jimeno, Pilar Eras, Rocío Eras, Amparo Plaza, Loli Pérez, Cristina Ruiz i dos incorporades massa tard que no han treballat massa però que posen la seva bona voluntat, que són Pilar Vicente i Isabel Torres. I després, en els músics tenim els clarinets, Juan Francisco García, Montse García, Herminia Moreno, a les guitarres, Marco Chamorro, José Antonio Ruiz, a l'oboe, Pili Peris,
The Church of Rome was a very important piece in the Carta and governance form, but this was only in the first part of the age, because Henry VIII developed the Reformation. Henry VIII had a problem with the Pope of Rome, because he wanted to break his marriage with his first wife. The Pope didn't give the annulment, and Henry VIII broke with the Church of Rome. Later, with Elizabeth I, the Church of England became a national church. The Reformation was
about the 23rd of April 1564, during the reign of Elizabeth I. The town where Shakespeare was born, Stratford-upon-Avon in England, was a proper little market town. It was very small both in size and population. Shakespeare came from a good middle-class parentage and witnessed some of the plays produced by companies of traveling actors in Stratford. William married Anne Hathaway when little more than 18, towards the end of 1582. Anne Hathaway was 26 when she married William and belonged to a substantial yeoman family. The poet had 3 children, Susanna, Hamnet, and Judith. These 2 were twins. Shortly after February of 1585, Shakespeare left Stratford for reasons not definitely known.
Shakespeare as actor and playwright. Shakespeare can be traced in London from 1592 onwards, first as an actor and then as a revisor and writer of plays. When he was still only 28, his contemporaries were impressed and some of them indignant.
Those plays pleased Isabelline public. They were written during Elizabeth I's reign. The most important play of that period is The Merchant of Venice, probably written about 1596. And Ursula required the payment of his money with a pound of human flesh.
Published imperfectly in quarto in 1603, and fully in quarto in 1604, and with some omissions in the first folio. The story is in Saxo Grammaticus, and was accessible in Bellefort's History Strachey. There was also an earlier...
Listening behind the arrest, he draws his sword and kills instead Polonius. The king now determines to destroy Hamlet. He sends him on a mission to England, with intent to have him killed there, but pirates captured Hamlet and sent him back to Denmark. He arrived to find that Ophelia, crazy with grief, has perished by drowning. Her brother, Hamlet, has murdered her wife, Gertrude, has drowned before her account is sent to the sun.
¿Máquina?
No, no.
Hablar un poquito de la revolución para que salga, venga. Sí, claro, lo que acabáis de decir. O sea que en definitiva, ¿qué papel protagoniza la mujer a lo largo de...?
Lo que ocurre con la mujer es que ella participa en la revolución, o sea, es igual que cualquier otra parte del pueblo. Me refiero que igual que los hombres, igual que los niños, todos participaron porque querían una serie de cambios, de reformas, etc. Entonces, vale, todos muy contentos. Cuando acaba la revolución, cuando triunfan, pues las mujeres comienzan a darse cuenta de que todo aquello que ellas habían defendido, todos esos derechos, a ellas no se les conceden plenamente, de que se las deja un poco de lado. Entonces ellas dicen, oye, que nosotros también queremos esos derechos para nosotros, esas reformas. Y entonces es cuando ellas empiezan a hacer todas estas incursiones en la vida política, los saludos en las revistas como pueden. Y es así como comienza.
Para que se vean todos los carteles, se puedan
visualizar lentamente, así para que no haya saltos.
¿Tuvieseis a la exposición? Pero como chico tiene... El enfriamiento final. Por favor, no pases ni un sweet drink y la tío con la respira de los. Es que así esto nos queda aquí.
A ver si entra la bola de...
Área de la bandereta ahí, ¿eh? Sí. Lo que hemos acostado. Muy improvisada.
Por favor, no pases por delante cuando filmen.
Y la tenemos para siempre ya, en el seminario.
El nombre de su máscara.
La ópera es una referencia a Jesús de la Cruz que se hicieron